The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Shelby County, southeastern Jefferson County, until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Birmingham to Splash Adventure to Tannhill Ironworks State Park, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Alabaster, Bessemer, Homewood, Pelham, Mountain Brook, Trustville, Helena, Hueytown, Irondale, Leeds, Fairfield, Chelsea, Pleasant Grove, Tarrant, Midfield, Brighton, and Indian Springs Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for central and west central Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and Shelby,